All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Jeep Patriot. It is the sport model, beautiful red with black interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, roof racks, alloy wheels, fog lights, super nice, only 45,000 miles. And best of all, minimum damage around the body. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks very nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Let me get my tool out. Tire tread is just over 530 seconds. This door does have some damage right here. Dent with paint off 3, 6, 9, about 9 inches. And a dent on the bottom with a heavy scratch, 3, 6 inches. Another dent here, 3 to 4 inches. A dent on the passenger door, about 3 inches. 2 inches down here. 3 to 4 inches here, and about 6 inches here. So we got 6, 4, 2, 3, 4, 9, and I think it's 6. Yeah, about 6 inches. All right, your quarter here, it's got a dent paint off 3, about 4 inches, and a scuffing here is 3, 6, about 6 inches on the rear bumper. Nice shot of your roof on that. Looks like I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power doorless, power mirrors, your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. It does come with the 2-key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player on and all of that good stuff. You got your AC controls right down below. All right, you got your instrument cluster here. What that looks like, you have no lights on except for it needs some gas, and your mileage of 45,039. Looks good. Keep it moving. Rear passenger seat and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. The rear bumper. Besides that part there that I had already shown, it looked good. Nice shot of your trunk space and what that looks like, pretty nice. There is a spare tire here with some tools, and then your owner's manuals I tucked away, still wrapped up in its package. This quarter looks good. Here's your rear passenger side, the rim. Tire thread is at 530 seconds. This door looks okay. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front door looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to that one. Fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. And tire thread is at 530 seconds. Fog lights are working. All lights are going. Folks, once again, this is a beautiful 2017 Jeep Patriot with 45,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you.